Hello and welcome. Today I am reviewing the VJOYCar 2026 Update Soft Closing Suction Door Kit from AliExpress. This 6th generation system brings automatic soft close to your Tesla with faster response, quieter operation, and real safety features. The kit is available for the Tesla Model 3, the Model 3 Highland, the Model Y, the new Model Y Juniper, and the Model YL. It replaces the original latches at the factory mounting points, so the fit is clean and non-destructive. Performance is the headline. A Japanese Mabuchi high-performance motor and a microsecond level processor deliver millimeter-level response. VJOYCar states the pull-in is roughly 30 to 50% faster than typical kits. The soft close range is about 7 to 9 millimeters, so a light push finishes the job every time, and the noise is lower than 50 decibels. Safety is well covered. Logic anti-pinch detects an obstruction and stops the close immediately. There is an emergency unlocking function, and the doors can open and close even during a power loss scenario. Daily use is simple. Close the door gently and the system takes over. All 4 doors are supported, and the design is made to keep working after Tesla software updates, which is a known issue for some other brands. If this review helped you, please like the video and subscribe for more honest reviews.